So hello everyone, this side Rakshit Raj, and today we are discussing the LeetCode question number 905, sort array by parity. Given an integer array nums, move all the even integers at the beginning of the array followed by the odd integers. Return any array that satisfies this condition. So the question is pretty simple that we have been given an array nums and we have to return another resultant array in which we have to sort it something like first we have to arrange all the even numbers at the beginning, and after the even numbers we have to add all the odd numbers that is remaining. And also here the priority of the values, that is if it is in a increasing or decreasing order, it doesn't matter here. It as we can see in the example number 1, that the nums is 3124 and the output is 2431. Here the output 4231 or 2413 and 4213 would also be accepted. That means it doesn't seems to follow any priority order. We'll just have to return first the even values and after that followed by the odd values. So how can we do that? So it's pretty simple. First of all, we'll just make another factor, or we can say another array, and which will store first. We'll check the condition in a for loop that if the value is divisible by 2 or not. If it is, then it's a even number and we'll just push back in the array. And we have another for loop which will check if the number is an odd number, and after that in the same array we'll just push it again, followed by the even numbers. So let's begin the code part. So first of all, we'll have a vector that will consist of integer values and we'll name it as answer, and we'll have two for loops here. First of for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, and I plus plus. We'll check that if the number, that is nums of I modulus 2 is 0, that is if it is divisible by 2 or not. If yes, that is an even number, we'll just add or push back in the answer array. So write answer dot push back the value, that is nums of I. Okay, after this for loop we'll have another for loop, okay, which will again have same conditions. Like I will start with 0, I should be less than nums dot size, and I plus plus, and here we'll see that if it's not equal to 0, that is nums of I modulus 2. Here we can write equal to 1, or we can write not equal to 0. That is same here. So we'll write answer dot push back the value, that is nums of I. And yes, that is all for the code part here, and at last we'll just return answer. And yes, let's see, it passes the test cases. Okay, I forgot semicolon. Let's see, now it passes the test cases. And yes, it passes the test cases here. So we'll submit this question. And yes, it is correct here. So that was all for this question. Thank you.